What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Motion. We back with another video, man. So today, just want to give you a little update on the F30. So, right here, we got the headlight in, the new headlight. I installed this headlight like 3 days ago. But the only thing about the headlight right now that I'm a bit worried about is the fitment. The fitment look pretty good right here. Worried about the fitment right here because a little gap. Probably the fender gotta be adjusted or something. This gotta be pulled up. Something gotta be moved. Something gotta be adjusted because you see right here how the fender is flush on it. So yeah, that just gotta be adjusted. Other than that, everything should be good. And the bumper's on the way. Only thing, the bumper's just taking a while to come. They said they're gonna be here by the end of the month, but I ain't really tripping about that. But yeah, it is what it is though. I'm up in the car. I got the alignment done. Everything runs smooth on the car. Let me open the hood. Show you what I'm doing under the hood real quick. So under the hood, they got gaskets. I forgot all this come off. So I'm gonna get the valve cover gasket replaced, just to make sure there's I don't see no signs of leaks right now, but just to make sure there's no leaks or anything, I'm gonna change the gasket on the oil filter. The oil, what's it called? That's called the oil filter housing gasket. It's like right here. Cause I heard them should be leaking onto the belt. And when I be pushing this shit, I don't want no leaks on the belt or anything like that. Them also replace the what's that shit called? The oil cooler. The oil cooler gasket. I'm gonna replace all them gaskets just to make sure everything's good. Cause I don't know, but I can tell this engine been taken care of real good. But just gotta make sure everything's good, cause you never know. Once I build this shit, I don't want no leaks, no issues, none of that. So I'm gonna just get all them gaskets replaced. It don't look like too much work. You just gotta remove the valve body. Not the valve body, but the intake manifold. Gotta replace all that. Gotta take all that out. I'm gonna learn as I go though. I really never worked on a Beamer before. Never really did too much engine work, so I'm gonna do all that before I mod the car. I'm gonna make sure all the maintenance is straight and everything. But other than that, so we're just waiting for the bumper. Gonna get that painted and everything. Everything else is good. There's no lights on the dash. Clear all them lights. Should sound beautiful. No lights on the dash. Everything cool. Everything straight. Need to cut this off. BMW shit weird. Other than that, I'm gonna get. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do after I get the bumper and everything. I'm probably just gonna get it inspected because it came from the auction. I gotta make sure everything's cool. But yeah, I just want to give you a little update video. So when the bumper and parts come in, I'm gonna just keep uploading more videos, and just don't want you to fall asleep on me. Just make sure I stay subscribed and keep fucking with me.